Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect your YouTube account to your TikTok account. So let's open TikTok, go to your profile, click edit profile, and here you can see on the bottom add YouTube. Tap there, select your username, click allow. Okay, now your account is connected. You can see the alerts came from Google. If you want to remove it, you can tap in your username, and here you can confirm to unlink your YouTube account. So now let's go to profile, and here you can see the YouTube icon also. That's all guys. Likewise, you can connect your YouTube account to your TikTok account. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.